So I received this email few days ago. The email say survey invitation from TGM Panel Nigeria based on the information stored in your TGM Panel Nigeria profile. We believe you have a survey that you will qualify and earn from. Okay, so they don't send me this particular email 2 times, then they can't send me the email again recently another 2 times. So recently I don't get plenty emails from this particular people here within they call TGM panel. So I want me to talk about these particular people today. If it is me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Here for my channel, I talk about different side hustle. If you use make it a collect 1 or 2 every single day online. If you want to collect update from my hand, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel so that you go to collect better update from my hand, because here for this channel I can review different updates where I don't use and the one way I did about to use. Before I continue, make una know say that particular update where I drop the last video where I drop where I talk about that platform where they call Crazy Rock, I don't use them, I don't collect small thing. Maybe I go do another video about the platform. So comment where they watch this video for comment section. Thank you very much. And before I forget, happy new year to all my community members. Happy new year, welcome to 2026. Comment happy new year for comment section. Thank you very much. Okay, so make we start. So wetin be TGM panel and how you fit take the collect small thing from this particular update. Okay, so TGM panel now one of the most popular or one of the most active survey platforms in Nigeria, according to them. If you go on YouTube now and search for TGM panel, you go see plenty videos they talk about them. You know, they are very popular survey platform, especially in Nigeria, and they get different branches, different panels all over the world. Now then thought say if they use their platform, make it a complete surveys, they take online surveys, say they go they give you small thing and then go they reward you in point. And they thought if they do other tasks too for the platform, say you go they collect small thing every single day. If you come to their home screen, you go see say they thought say join TGM Nigeria, make cash and make a difference. Leading brand, we are waiting to hear your opinion. This. They say tell us what you think about their product and services and get paid for it. They convince say they be one of the best survey platforms for Nigeria, because the thing where they be say Nigeria and survey they no be friends, because they know they work for Nigeria. Even if they work, then go they disqualify you a lot. And some of them, even if they no disqualify you, at the end of the day, na gift card then go use reward you. And some of them, even if they reward you with gift card, it go they very hard for you to receive them. So Nigeria and survey no be friends. So to do survey for Nigeria, you must be strong enough, or you must know what you they do, or you must get VPN, proxy, and all those too much headache. I make to do survey for Nigeria, they discourage some people, but nevertheless, you get people where they do survey every single day for this country. Their work now to do survey, they collect small thing for themselves, you understand? So it's just for you to pay attention and learn from different individuals who know how to do this survey. Coming back to this particular platform, I don't create my account, because today for this particular video I will go through the platform and I go also share my opinion about the platform, and I go rate them from 1 to 10. Okay, I beg make una know say this one no be tutorial. I can do na review. I can do, which means now my opinion, the way I come here to come share. I know they drop tutorial for YouTube anymore, simply because I try to save the community. So if you define my tutorials, or if you want to see any of my tutorials, make you check out my cirrden account. You go see them for my screen, cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. Make sure so you follow me on my cirrden account. Just click on the follow button there, follow me, so that anytime I drop any tutorial, then go notify you. And another thing too, before I continue, make I remind when I say I've been doing another video about this platform where they call Pay Hanky. I don't create the tutorial, I go soon drop one for cirrden. So make sure you go follow me so that you go see the step-by-step tutorial about Pay Hanky and how I take go about them, and 1 or 2 things more you need to know about that particular update. I think I've been doing the video last, so if you still go check them out, so that you go know as the platform they work, you understand? So once I log into my account, the first thing I see now this notification where when they see for my screen. So now my account be this. Well, even if I no go show now, like I said, no be tutorial be this. Some kind of things now for mount I go use to come. I guess survey say, and the first survey here now 20 minutes. This one go reward me 0.9 points. The other survey now 2 minutes, and it go reward me 0.06 point for year. So now the surveys the way me I get with that, I go drop on for my screenshot now. So now the main question now be say, how much be 1 point? If one survey year go reward me 0.9 points, I suppose know how much be 1 point. Currency point balance, 1 point equals to $1. If you complete survey and they pay you 10 points for the survey where you complete, now $10 be that. So the main question now be say, you they sure say if now you go fit complete this particular survey, or you go like complete this particular survey, because this is how much they pay per survey. You sure say this kind of survey could make sense for you? Well, if it could make sense for you, just tell me for comment section. Then get within the call reward, they get within the call history, and then get within the call refer and earn, which means then get affiliate program where you say if you come here, invite your friends and make it a collect 1 or 2. Once your friends join the platform and they complete surveys on the platform, if they collect some reward from the platform, they very simple and straightforward. So they get this one, then they call update profile. To be sincere with you now, I know we take this particular platform seriously, so I know we they take them seriously based on say to complete survey for Nigeria now war. But now I don't see they don't they send me plenty surveys where I can't take them seriously, which means I can't go complete my profile for this particular platform. So what be some of the pros and cons I don't notice about this particular platform? Well, I don't go really list some of the pros and some of the cons yet, because I never use the platform. Based on how I don't see the platform and based on how I see their structure, if you say make I rate the platform from 1 to 10, well, based on how I see them, they don't get regular surveys. You understand? Based on my current observation, they don't get regular surveys. So I think give them 5 over 10 because I never earn, they don't get regular surveys. And based on waiting at the see now, they need to pay plenty for their surveys. Well, I thought I never give them pros and cons, but even with that, I still they give them pros and cons, you understand? So even if their currency get value, they know they give regular surveys. 1 point for their currency, now $1. So their currency actually get value. Imagine 20 minutes survey, not even they up to $1. You understand? It's not even up to $1. I feel rate them 5 over 10. But if you don't use the platform, you don't like the platform, or you like the platform, just share your opinion for comment section. Now, according to waiting that they see here, they say their minimum withdrawal here saying at $10. So if you gather 10 points, will be $10. Now be say if you withdraw come out for the platform. And so this particular platform so I see I'm not survey platform, and they send me emails regularly recently. And if you go like make I do the tutorial, well, comment tutorial for comment section, and I go do the tutorial drop for my cirrden account. Make una no vex na YouTube na do am, you understand? So I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.